Hey, I'm Allison Taylor with Guardian Owl Digital Boutique, and today I want to offer 3 actionable items that will help you improve the site speed for your website. Why is site speed important? Well, number 1, people in general have a pretty short attention span, and if sites aren't loading quickly, they're likely to jump off. Number 2, and probably most importantly, Google has said that it is now an important ranking factor. So, you want to rank well, you need to speed up your website. Number 1, check with Google PageSpeed Insights. It is a free tool that Google offers that grades the speed of your website from 1 to 100 and gives you some tips for how to improve your speed. For instance, images are often a big culprit when it comes to slowing down websites. Step 2, in line with speeding up your website based on what Google recommends, compress your images. There are many free plugins that will help compress your images, and it won't change the appearance of the images, but it makes the file size smaller and your website will move faster. And step 3, hosting. Just because a host is cheap doesn't mean that it's necessarily good. Hosting is incredibly important and can play a huge factor in how well your website does when it comes to handling traffic, if you get a spike in traffic, and also how fast your website runs. Hopefully you can walk away with these tips and be able to take some actions and speed up your site.